Here it is, ladies and gents, the final piece to our suspension, completing the Mustang 2 swap. So this hunk of steel has to get thrown on the car before we go out on the drive. Sway bar links, sway bar bushings, washers, spacers. Oh, that's sweet. Surface rust is included for free. To install your sway bar for your Mustang, drill 2 7/16 diameter holes. Install the U-bolts to mount the sway bar up into the frame, inserting the U-bolt. Slip the bushings and mounting brackets onto the sway bar and attach sway bar rails under the spacer. I'm gonna snug everything down. Let's bring her down, boys. Oh, Jesus. Oh, jeez. Almost knocked that over. Alrighty, folks, we are about ready to go for the cruise. We're about an hour out. The Mustang now has a sway bar, so that should improve our handling a ton. Not only that, we got a buddy seat. So we have a couple people meeting here at the shop, and then we're gonna meet at a second location and then depart from there. We do have a couple planned stops in order to get some cool pictures, let people catch up. I don't know how much cars are coming just yet, but I'm excited. It should be really fun, or a complete shit show. Let's see. Alrighty, folks, there's a bunch of people here. Issa just got here. Everybody's got some big cams today. What's up, man? How are you? Good, good.
Good seeing you.
That's the one that was trying to kiss us? You don't remember we saw the shooting star and he was like, we should kiss. I think we're waiting on one more person and then we'll head out to the second spot and meet a couple more people. You're shaking.
So driving 2 hours, I'm like,
I think you're the furthest one that traveled. Yeah, that I appreciate that. Yeah. Kevin here, what are you driving?
I'm driving the stock SI, the red one.
Stock? It wasn't stock.
It wasn't stock before.
You restocked it?
I restocked it, yeah, because it was too loud and I got a little tired of it. But I do miss the power though.
What are we driving today?
Let me see. We got a 2021 4Runner. It's the film car. The Subaru had to stay at home, unfortunately, but you got to make sacrifices.
What are we driving today?
I'm driving the stock Camaro SS.
What are we driving today, Tucson?
Mustang 2019 GT.
What are we driving today, Chano?
we are driving a 2017 Subaru Impreza Sport hatchback.
Hell yeah, I love hatchbacks.
Yeah.
What are we driving today?
Driving the Yang over here. The other WRX, the black one, or it's charcoal gray.
What kind of camera are we rocking today?
Canon Elan 7 from the 90s, late 90s.
What are we riding today, Angel?
We got a CF Moto 675 SS.
All right, Shane, what are we driving today?
A 2007 Shelby.
19, do you have another?
Yeah, I have a 1966 Mustang.
Oh, that's the one with the roof completely chopped off.
No roof. What else could I do to take this Mustang to a car show and not have the same
thing as
everybody else?
What are we driving today?
Driving my 2014 Subaru WRX, my grocery getter, the last year of its hatch.
That's Yang. You're Yang?
Oh, Yang Yang.
We're gonna go ahead and depart from here, and then we're gonna go to the first scenic lookout at Gates Pass. We should be able to meet the other guys there. Once we get to that spot, if there's not enough room for everyone, then just move on to the next spot and we'll go from there. But it'll give us a good chance to take pictures, yada yada, and for other people to catch up. So, a lot of cars here. Yeah. Beautiful day, beautiful weather, and I think we're about to head out to the next spot. Got a couple cool photos. Everybody's busted out their nice cameras, and yeah, I think everyone's just having a good time.
You know who else is having a good time? That Ford Focus over there. that we boxed in.
But luckily he's just chilling. He's doing his own thing. He can't get out. What are we driving today?
We have a 95 Nissan Skyline R33 GTR.
It's a cool wrap you got on there.
Yeah, man. So it was originally white, and everyone started importing white GTRs. So of course I had to switch it up and do the midnight purple.
What are we driving today?
So we've got a 1993 Fox body Mustang LX trim. Here we've got a Paxton supercharger kit. We've got SVT parts from the IMSA days.
He was behind me and Mario.
Oh shit.
Tommy, he was behind me and Mario, and then he just like stopped following.
Pretty soon, if you go past McCain, you're not gonna see us. You're gonna be somewhere else. And then from there, we're gonna stop and picture rocks.
Yeah, don't follow me.
We just stopped on the side of the road. Pretty scenic. We have a full moon. I didn't even know.
Uphill to that stop sign was scary, dude. I'm going a little bit too fast. I could almost rear-ended him.
How was that drive?
Dude, amazing. Thanks for the invite.
Fun
Good
times,
time.
exciting. You know, body roll on a 4Runner is always fun.
So who needs gas?
I do.
Why did it have to be Issa?
Oh, dude, I'm sorry.
Dude, you're making us Subaru guys look bad.
Luckily, the workers here said it was cool for us to be here, as long as we're not doing anything crazy, which we're not. Bye, guys. Thank you guys for coming.
Yeah.
But yeah, we got 13 cars. Sadly, Chano started having engine issues as soon as we started the cruise. Shout out Chano. He drove all the way from Phoenix to be here, and he couldn't really cruise with us. Are you getting a little hungry?
Like flowing well,
32 minutes to that one.
I've only been here twice.
Really?
You got all the olives in here?
We're leaving.
Well.
You should have not looked at that.
Dude, don't tell me that, man.
How was BK's?
I'm a Costco slut. Oh my gosh.
Say choridogo!
Choridogo.